So you want to rotate a bunch of things in a random fashion. Hey guys, I'm TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are back in Blender once again, taking a look at how to transform some objects. So I have a bunch of objects right here that I've duplicated in multicolored cubes. I'm gonna go ahead and hit B to box select them all. Just drag a box over top of them. And make sure I have one of them selected by holding down shift and just clicking one of them. It doesn't matter which one. Then I'm going to go up to object and go down to transform and randomize transform. You can see when I click this, a box will pop up, and you can see I have some values already set here. So if I put all these back to default, I did this already. I don't know why they're not back on default, but you can see I kind of ruined the illusion, but that's all right. Because we can go ahead and change some of these values. If I change the random rotation here, you can see, well, if I make sure random location and transform delta are on, you can see when I do the location first, we'll go ahead and have that random location thing just moving around, which looks super cool, right? You could just get some really cool effects like this. Really pretty cool stuff. And then with the rotation here, you can see I just rotate these ever so slightly in every direction here. And I think that looks good like that, right? And then we can even do the scale. So if we have scale even checked, then they will all scale on the proper, like they'll just all get bigger or smaller. But if I uncheck scale even and then put this back to default, which it is, then you can see it'll go on the actual axis you're pulling it on. So here we have scaling there and like this, and they'll scale up and down, which looks really good. So now we have a completely random fashion rather than what we had before. We can also change the seed if you don't like what it looks like. Maybe you change the seed up a little bit. I like that one, like 4. 4 looks good. Actually, there's kind of a lot of white in there. Just all of a sudden, there's like a bunch of white. I don't know what's up with that. Oh, that one looks good. All right, that one looks good. All right, sweet. So now we've gone from completely straight-laced and, flat to this, which looks much better than it did before. So I hope you boys and girls enjoyed today's quick, it's super easy tutorial that helps a bunch. And as you know, any kind of box that pops up down here, you have to input all those values before you click anywhere else, because now I cannot reset it. I have to actually hit Control Z to undo it. So we went from that to that. Much better. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. But yeah, that's gonna be it. So I'll see you in the next one. But until then, bye bye.